In this video, I'm going to show you a workflow that will truly set you free, using JoggAI plus Make.com to automate AI avatar video production. JoggAI is a platform that lets you generate AI avatar videos in just one click. Whether it's turning a photo into a talking avatar, generating scripts from text, or pulling content from a URL to create a video, JoggAI can handle it all. Make.com, on the other hand, is a no-code automation platform. It's like building with Lego blocks. Just drag, drop, and connect different tools and services to automate entire workflows. And here's the secret behind all this power. All of these features are powered by the JoggAI API. Robust, flexible, and designed for scale. Let's say you run a Shopify store. Every time a new product goes live, you can simply update a Google Sheet and JoggAI will automatically generate a product video based on the page URL. Or maybe you're in sales. Whenever a new lead comes into your CRM, the system can instantly generate a personalized welcome video and email it directly to your new contact. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your own JoggAI video automation flow using Make.com, step by step. Let's boost your video production efficiency together. Okay, step 1, get your JoggAI API key. Log into your JoggAI account, go to Settings, and copy your API key. This key is your golden ticket. It connects JoggAI to Make.com and powers the entire workflow. Step 2. Create a scenario in Make.com. Head over to Make.com and click Create a new scenario. Search for JoggAI in the module list and add it. Paste your API key in here, and you're connected. Now, you have full access to all the functions JoggAI's API supports, from avatar creation to video generation, from URLs, templates, and more. Step 3. Build your automation workflow. This is the heart of the setup, building your custom video workflow. In Make.com, think of each step like a building block. On the left, you have your trigger, for example, a new row in Google Sheets. In the middle is your JoggAI video creation module. And on the right, your result actions, like send an email or upload to YouTube. In this video, I'll use the simplest trigger, Google Sheets, to show you how to build your first automated AI avatar video workflow from scratch. First, create a new scenario in Make.com. Set up your trigger using the Google Sheets module. Make sure your Google account is connected to Make.com. Next, create a new spreadsheet with headers in the first row. For example, Avatar ID, Voice ID, Script. These are the required fields to generate an AI avatar video. Back in Make.com, connect each field from your spreadsheet to the corresponding trigger inputs. And if your table includes headers, make sure to check Table Contains Header yes. So, where to find Avatar ID and Voice ID? It's easy. In JoggAI, go to your avatar list, select the avatar you want, and look for the avatar ID from here. Do the same with voices. Go to the Voice tab, pick one, and you'll find the Voice ID there. If you plan to reuse the same avatar and voice in multiple videos, just save the IDs. Then all you need to do is update the script to create new videos in bulk. Now that your trigger is ready, let's set up the JoggAI Action module. If you haven't already linked your API key to Make.com, do that first in the integration settings. Then, search for the module Create from Avatar and add it to your scenario. Map the Avatar ID, Voice ID, and script fields from your Google Sheet to the appropriate inputs in the JoggAI module. Double-check everything matches up correctly. When you're done, click Save. Once it's done, time to test it out. Click Run Once on your Make.com scenario. Then go to your Google Sheet and enter the Avatar ID, Voice ID, and Script in a new row. Go back to Make.com, click Run Once, and wait a few seconds. Head over to your JoggAI projects, and that's it. Your AI avatar video is ready. You've just automated your first video. How cool is that? Now you can use this setup to batch create dozens of videos at once. Just add more rows in your sheet. You can also extend your scenario by adding more actions. such as upload videos to YouTube or automatically email them via Gmail. Let me show you how. After the Create from Avatar module, simply add a Tools module and set it to Sleep. This allows time for the avatar to be generated. You can set the duration to 10 or 20 minutes. If your video is longer, I recommend setting a longer sleep time to ensure the generation process completes successfully before moving to the next step. Next, add a JoggAI module and select Get Video to retrieve the generated video. In the Video ID field, enter the project ID generated in the previous step. Click Save once everything is set. Finally, choose your preferred action, whether it's uploading the video to YouTube, sending it via Gmail, or anything else. Just pick the final step based on your needs. From script input to video distribution, your entire workflow is now fully automated. Sign up for JoggAI, grab your API key, connect it with Make.com, and launch your very own AI-powered video factory today. Create once, scale infinitely. See you in the next one.